Hello students, I have brought this video to explain you about real numbers. I have to explain about real numbers that what is real number. You will understand this number. Real numbers. All numbers are real numbers. In short, we can say all numbers are examples of real numbers. Whatever they are, they may be positive numbers, they may be negative numbers, they may be in form of decimal numbers. Every number each and every number is real. All numbers are real numbers. Here you will know types of real numbers. Here, to make you understand, I have classified real numbers in two parts. First, without decimal numbers, and second, with decimal numbers. I mean, real numbers are in without decimal numbers, and also they are in with decimal numbers. They are in both, in decimal numbers and without decimal numbers. In without decimal numbers, there are three types. There are three kinds. First, natural numbers. Second, whole numbers. Third, integer numbers. You have to know about these numbers. Natural numbers start from 1. They do not end. There is no biggest number of natural numbers, and natural numbers are denoted by 10. Now, whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0, and they also don't end. There is no biggest whole number, and they are denoted by W. And now you have to know about integers. Integer numbers. Integer numbers are denoted by Z. Integer numbers are also whole numbers, but included negative number. In whole numbers, there are no negative numbers, but integer numbers, there are negative numbers also. There is no least number of integer numbers, and also there is no biggest number of integer numbers. Here, you also should know that all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Why? Because 0 does not come in natural number. Similarly, all whole numbers are integer numbers, but all integer numbers are not whole numbers. Why? Because negative numbers are not in whole numbers. This means all numbers are in integer numbers, but not they are in decimal. Now, I shall make you understand about which decimal numbers. There are also three kinds of which decimal numbers. First, terminating decimal numbers. Second, repeating decimal numbers, also called recurring decimal numbers. And third, non-terminating and non-repeating decimal numbers. Now, in details, I shall make you understand about terminating decimal numbers. First, terminating decimal numbers are in decimal. They are in the form of decimal. But after decimal, digits get stopped. Here you will see after decimal 5 comes, but after 5 there is no number. There is no digit. Here in second example 2.4, after decimal 4 comes, but after 4 there is no digit. So here digits get stopped. Here in third example 3.45, 4 and 5 come after decimal, but after 5 there is no digit. Here digits also get stopped. Here we can say these decimals are terminating decimals, and these numbers will be called terminating decimal numbers. Here now repeating decimal. Here also there is decimal, but you will see here important thing. After decimal, digits get not stopped. After decimal, digits, unit of digits are repeating. Here you will see unit of digits 23, 23, 23 are coming again and again, and they will keep coming. They do not stop. And here in second example, after decimal 3, 3, 3, again 3 come, and they do not stop. So it means they are repeating. I mean decimal is not terminating. Decimal, after decimal digits are repeating. So it means these decimals are repeating decimal, and these numbers will be called repeating decimal number. And here there is also decimal, but in this example, after decimal, digits are not same. I mean unit of digits are not coming again and again. Here you will see after decimal 2 comes, after 2 3 comes, after 3 again 3 comes, but after 3 4 comes, then 5 comes, then 6 comes. I mean same unit of digits is not coming, and also digits do not get stopped. In this example, digits are not getting stopped. Here also digits are not getting stopped, but here unit of digits are repeating, and here units of digits are not repeating. So it means here decimal will be called non-terminating and non-repeating decimal, and numbers will be called non-terminating and non-repeating decimal number. Now I want to drink some water. Now I shall make you understand about even numbers and odd numbers. Even number and odd numbers are kind of natural numbers. I mean natural numbers have been classified in two parts, even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers start from 2 and they do not stop, and odd numbers start from 1 and they also do not stop. I told you they are kinds of natural numbers. And now I shall make you understand in details about rational numbers. What are rational numbers? In this topic, I mean in real number, rational numbers are the most important thing. Are the most important numbers. First of all, I shall tell you about definition of rational number. The numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q I write Q. Again I say the numbers of the form P by Q where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are known as rational numbers. It is denoted by Q and is written as Q is equal to P by Q. P comma Q are integers comma Q not equal to 0. This is the definition of rational number. But now I shall make you understand in details about rational number. What is rational number? Rational number is in the form of fraction in the form of P by Q. I mean rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, where P by Q is fraction. So in rational numbers, in P by Q, P and Q are both integers, but Q is not equal to 0. Again I say, rational numbers are fraction in form of P by Q, where P and Q both are integers and Q is not equal to 0. I make you understand an example. Suppose there is fraction 2 by 5. Is 2 by 5 rational number? Yes, it is rational number. Why? Because first 2 by 5 fraction, and in this fraction the value of P is 2 and the value of Q 5, and 5 is not 0. It means 2 by 5 is in the form of P by Q, and it means 2 by 5 is rational number. Again second example. 0 by 1. Is 0 by 1 rational number? Yes, it is rational number. Why? Because 0 is the value of P and 1 is the value of Q, and 1 is not equal to 0. It means 0 by 1 is rational number. And again third example, 1 by 0. Is 1 by 0 rational number? No. Why? Because 1 is the value of P and 0 is the value of Q, and both are integers, but you know the value of Q should not be equal to 0. And here we are seeing the value of Q is 0. It means 1 by 0 is not rational number. So you always remember that the value of P should be integer, the value of Q should be integer, but the value of Q should not be 0. So 1 by 0 is not rational number. Here is the very important thing which I am going to tell you. All natural numbers, all whole numbers, all integer numbers, all natural numbers, these numbers, all whole numbers means this number, all integers number means this number, all terminating and repeating this much means this and this number. Repeating this one are examples of rational numbers. What I say? I say to you all natural numbers, all whole numbers, all integer numbers, all terminating decimal numbers, and all repeating decimal numbers are examples of rational numbers, except these numbers. These numbers do not come in rational number. These numbers come in irrational number. There are two parts. There are two kinds of real numbers: rational numbers and irrational numbers. These 5 things means natural numbers, whole numbers, integer numbers, terminating decimal numbers, repeating decimal numbers come in rational numbers and non-terminating and non-decimal numbers come in irrational number. Some numbers come in rational numbers and some number come irrational numbers. And rational numbers and irrational numbers are both togetherly called real numbers. Here you will see all rational and irrational numbers are togetherly called real numbers. It means any number is example of real number. One thing I would like to explain you that without decimal numbers and with decimal numbers are not kinds of real numbers. These are the identification of real number. Kinds of real numbers are rational numbers and irrational numbers. And one thing also I would like to explain you about perfect square. What is perfect square? Here you are seeing 0, 1, 4, 16, 25, 36 and so on. These are perfect squares. Why? Because these numbers can be changed in form of a square of a number. Here you will see 0 can be changed in a square of 0, 1 can be changed in a square of 1, 4 can be changed in a square of 2, 16 can be changed in a square of 4, 25 can be changed in a square of 5 and so on. It means we can change 0, 1, 4, 16, 25, 36 and so on can be changed in form of a square. It means these numbers are perfect square and the numbers which cannot be changed in a square of a number will not be called perfect square, such as 2, 3, 5, 6 so on cannot be changed in a square of a number. So these numbers, I mean 2, 3, 5, 6, etc. will not be perfect square. And if we put a perfect square in root, then the value of square root will be in rational number. If we put perfect square in square root, then the value of square root will be in rational number. Means the value of root 0, the value of root 1, the value of root 4, the value of root 9, the value of root 16. I mean the value of root 0 is 0, the value of root 1 is 1, the value of root 4 is 2, the value of root 9 is 3, the value of root 16 is 4. These values come in rational number because they are integers. But the value of root 2, the value of root 3, the value of root 5, the value of root 6 come in irrational numbers because the value of these numbers do not come in terminating decimal and also they do not come in repeating decimal. The value of these numbers come in non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. So the value of root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6 so on will come in irrational numbers. And also the value of pi, the value of pi come in irrational number because our mathematician has not given exact value of pi. The value of pi comes in non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. So the value of pi come in irrational number. But approx value, the value of pi is the approx value of pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. And 22 by 7, which is approx value of pi, is rational number. Why? Because 22 and 7 both are integers and 7 is not equal to 0. So 22 by 7, which is not exact value of pi, come in rational number. Everything, students, I made you understand and tried my best to clear your concept of real numbers, and I hope you would have understood everything, and I hope you would have liked it. And if you like, you must like it, share and subscribe also, so that you may get information, notification. And after this video, I shall bring a new video in which I shall make you understand representation of real number on number line. That's all. All the best, my students.